Hi, I'm Gary from Marsh Decorators, and I'm part of the review team for Trade Decorator TV on YouTube. Today I'll be reviewing some of the products you can see behind us here by the Dusty Boys range. It's their surface mats. They come in various sizes, thicknesses and things like that, but I'll go more into that in a moment. If first you can just subscribe to the YouTube channel please, and also hit the notification button on the screen, and you'll be notified of all future reviews by the team. Also, once you've watched the video, please feel free to comment below of what you think of the product. If you've used the product, if you have any questions about the product, please let us know. Okay, so first a little brief description of the product by Dusty Boys. Their main line is surface mats. They come in various sizes. I think they're mainly for protection of hard floors and work surfaces, like top of kitchen units like marble tops and things like that. First looking at them, they're slightly cushioned, so protect them in case anything falls on them. And also if you're using them on the floor, you protect the old knees. They're anti-slip, which is good if you've got them on the wooden floors, because I'm always wary in case somebody slips, and dust sheets and things like that. They're easy cleaning and they're 100% waterproof, and they're for indoor use. So what do I want from this product? Well, those of you who know us, they'll probably realise I do go to a lot of lengths to protect a customer's furniture, property and things like that, and the customer's always impressed when you do things like that. So I'm always looking for something else to enhance that protection. So the things like the dual one, that's 3 meters long, and that would be ideal for if I'm wallpapering a feature wall, to protect like the area I'm working in without sheeting the whole room up. And it's protecting the floor, keeping it clean, and it's also protecting the floor in case I drop anything on the floor. And then also that kind of product as well would be great for on top of marble units, because again, I'm always very wary in case I drop something onto a dust sheet and it chips the surface. So I want ultimate protection for the customer's property. They also do a nail mat, which is a little bit thicker than the surface mats, and obviously they're for like working around on hard floors, because there's nothing worse than like crawling around on floors all day painting skirting boards and things like that, because it does take a toll on your knees. So I'm looking forward to trying that out as well. So I'm going to try some of these products. I've got a few different ideas of how I want to use them, and see how they go, and we'll see what's what. This surface mat is 3 meters by 0.65 centimeters. It's the one I mentioned earlier, which is probably ideal for doing a feature wall. It covers enough area for you to work in, keeps the customer's floor clean, and also with it being slightly padded, it's going to protect any droppages so it doesn't chip the floor. This one retails at around $49.99 at the moment, and I think it's well worth it for what it is. Like I say, it protects the floor, and plus it's going to protect your knees when you're kneeling down. So this is against the feature wall I'm about to start, and it covers the area fine. Here's another use for the 3 meter by 6.5 centimeters. It's actually a carpet on a staircase. I thought I'd try it out on this, and it sticks really well. There's no slip, and when walking up and down, it stays in place. So again, another great use for the 3 meter by 6.5 centimeters. Here I thought I'd try the 3 meter runner on a worktop. It's on marble. It doesn't slide. It's staying in place, and then, again, it's protecting the surface better than a dust sheet would. So I'm quite happy to work above this, and feel confident I'm not going to damage the surface below. Here we have the 1 meter by 1 meter. This retails at the moment at $43.99. It's ideal for working small areas. If you're just doing a small area, painting a radiator, it's ideal. Or if you want to protect a glass hob on an oven, it's probably ideal for that as well. You can see here I'm about to do the kick test, and you can see that isn't going anywhere. It sticks to the floor really, really well. So that's the 1 meter by 1 meter. This one is 1 meter by 6.5 centimeters. Again, it's ideal for small areas. I found this one particularly good for when I was painting some doors recently. It fits like at the bottom of a door perfectly, so you can just pick it up, go to the next door, paint the next door, and it's quite comfy on your knees as well. This one retails about $21.99. Here's another use I found for the 1 meter by 6.5. It's pretty well sized for going over glass electric hobs. So I'm always very wary in case I drop something on them or chip them or crack them. And this is ideal. It doesn't slip. It's on, it's staying on, and it's protected. Obviously better than dust sheet, because dust sheet's quite thin. With this being slightly layered, it protects the glass hob well. And that's what I want. Here we have the 60 by 40 centimetre nail pad for protecting your knees. It's a lot thicker than normal surface mats. It's quite spongy and it's quite comfortable. I'd probably use it for going around doing skirting boards and things like that. This retails at around £27.99. They also do a larger one for £64.99. With the surface mat, you also get supplied with a carry strap. It also keeps the mat all rolled up for you, so it doesn't open up while you're in transit, and it makes it easy to carry around from room to room and job to job. Here's another couple of products that Dusty Boys do. This is the 20 litre collapsible bucket, ideal for carrying water or storing water while you're on a job. Then when you're finished, you just fold it away and put it in a little compartment in your van. Less storage, I suppose. And they also do a Dusty Boys pouch, which it's handy for keeping your bits and pieces in rather than lying all over the van again. At least you know where everything is. Okay, so you've seen the products in use there, and now it's time to give my verdict. Would I use them again? Would I recommend them to anybody? And I've got to say, yeah, definitely. I love the product completely. Like I said, the fact it's, I'll just read a bit here. You can see there, the back and the rubber. That's what gives the anti-slip, and like I say, I kicked it on hard floors and it wouldn't move at all. And obviously you've got the waterproof protection on top, so you can guarantee whatever surface you're putting on, it's going to be well protected. My favourite was the 3 metre by the 0.65. Obviously the longer one of them all. Ideal for feature walls if you're wallpaper and you'd be confident that the sheet is going to slip, and if you drop anything, it's going to protect the floor as well, but they're being slightly cushioned. Again, the 3 metre one is ideal for floor runners between rooms, passageways, and obviously upstairs as well, which I was quite amazed that it stuck the carpet as well. I thought it might slip on the carpet, but again, it was solid on that as well. Obviously worktops if you're working paper in kitchens and working above it, and you obviously worried in case you drop something on marble, all these expensive marble tops that people have these days, you can be assured that that's going to be well protected. The other favourite was the nail pad. I really like that because I say it was a lot thicker. I think I've got it here, on the side here. Yeah, I'll show you the thickness of that one now. You can see how thick the needle pad is there. You can see it. That's spot on. Because I'm not a great lover of wearing like pads in your overalls, like the nail pads. I just find them really uncomfortable. So if I'm doing loads of skirting boards or things, that's a product I'll definitely be using. I probably wouldn't use it to protect full rooms, just on small areas I'm working in, like say feature walls or above kitchen units and things, because it'd be a bit too expensive to like pad a whole room out. There's other products that can do that a lot cheaper, but if you're working in small areas, this product is ideal. And when I was using it in a couple of jobs, I noticed the customers were really impressed and asking questions about it, and obviously the fact that we were using something new. They were impressed by that, and obviously they like the fact we're protecting their home, which I always want to do, and always nice to get comments on things like that. So for this product, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. It's a really good product, well worth the money, and I'd recommend anybody to use them. I've noticed when I've been looking it up and researching it, there's lots of trades use them, and more so, and I can see why now. So that's my review. Before I go, again, if you don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification button, and you'll be notified of all future reviews by the team. Please comment below what you think of the review. If you've used the product before, let us know what you thought of it. Any questions, please ask. I'm always interested to know your thoughts on the products I review. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope to see you on another review sometime. Thank you.